What's up everyone? Today in this video I'm exactly going to tell you what you should be doing after your graduation. This is one of the most commonly asked question, and this is where we really get confused. What should we really be doing after our degree? It might be BCom, BBM, BSc, BCA, whatever degree it is. Okay, I'm gonna really answer it if you stay till the end of this video. First of all, why are you really confused? What you should be doing after your degree? Usually people are confused because we have many options. We can do master degree, we can go work, we can start our business, we can do some online courses, and there are like so many new things are coming online and we are totally confused, right? If you want to stay updated in today's economy and today's technology, and if you want to move towards the future, then you must stop listening to your professors. You must stop listening to your parents. You must stop listening, or you must stop listening to other people in the society, and you must start thinking what is actually growing. You do some research. You can go see what is growing, what is this in next 5 years, in next 10 years, what industry is growing. And based on it, you have to take action. Till 2005, if you asked your parents, everyone are going into factories. It's about manufacturing age. And from 2002, 2005, the IT age started growing. Till 2015, I can say it was IT age. Everyone wanted to become an engineer. Everyone, wanted to get into an IT job. Now the IT age is gone. Manufacturing age is gone. Do you know what age now it is? From 2018, it's knowledge zenith age. It's all about self-education. The self-development industry is growing like anything before. It is predicted that Forbes has predicted by 2025, knowledge zenith age or the self-education industry is going to be $1 billion industry. It's already started. It is not about IT. It is not about master degree. It's not about manufacturing. It's not about all of that. It's purely about what skills do you have. And if you ask your parents, they will tell, go get your master degree done. Even I did my master degree. I just learned useless stuff which is not at all applied in today's world. And I will say, knowledge is not power, applied knowledge is power. When did I realize this? I realized after wasting 10 lakhs, that is 1 million Indian rupees, I realized knowledge is not power, applied knowledge is power. I did not have nothing, I didn't have any of the skills. And I didn't know what to do. I had a job, I left, I started my own business. Nothing worked out, I failed, and I was not able to move forward. It's purely I didn't want to work somewhere. I didn't want to climb the corporate ladder. I just wanted to make sure that my family is going to be strong in future and I'm going to have a better career and I'm really going to make a lot more money. That's what I focused, and I realized job is not going to help me anymore. And when I wanted to, I saw what people are doing in the market. They were into business. A lot of business people, they were actually making money. I thought, okay, let me also start doing the same thing so that I can make money. But you know what? When I started my business, I started when I did not have money. You should not be starting a business when you don't have a money. You know what? I did it. I failed. I went into a huge loss. Started begging money from unknown people. I didn't know what to do. Nothing was really working out in my life. You know why? I did not have the right skills. And that's when I realized I should start learning skills. When was that realization I had? I had this realization when I got to know about this triangle. I'm going to exactly tell you this. When I got to know about the wealth triangle, I got to know what I should be doing in order to really succeed in my life. This triangle I learned from my mentor, who's a multi-millionaire, Mr. Dunlock. So when I started learning from him, everything started changing. So what is this wealth triangle? What will this tell? The first stage, let's say anyone who's going to start his business or anyone who's really going to start his career, the first step you need to do is you need to acquire high income skills. High income skills. A skill which can give you high returns. A skill which is directly applicable in the market. A skill which is having high demand in 21st century. Top companies like Google, Apple, Facebook, any of the top companies today, they're not hiring people based on experience. They're not hiring people based on their certifications, master degree. No, they're hiring people based on the skill. Now it is all about skill economy. First thing, you need to learn high income skills. For example, closing, traffic generation, copy writing, FB ads or Google ads. Sales funnel. Why all of these skills are in high demand? Because everything is moving into digital marketing. Technology is moving fast. And these are the skills which are recession proof. Once you learn all of the skills, you will have income coming into your bank account, right? Because you learn these skills, you apply that in the market, and then you make money. Right? You'll start income will start coming into your bank account. That is the first step in your career. What you need to be doing is you need to be learning high income skills. Once you have income coming in, then you should move to the next part, which is called as scalable business. Because if you want to really start a business, you need capital, you need huge investment, and you need a lot of cash flow. For someone like me and you who don't have money, who don't have cash flow, when we are just starting out a career, we cannot think about business. We cannot think about scalable business. Once you have these skills, you'll have income coming in. Once you have more income, then you can convert that income then you can move into the second part, which is scalable business. And then once you have your scalable business, that means you have more cash coming in, you're scaling up your business and you're growing high. Because you already know the skills. You already know the business skills, and it will really help you to scale your business to the next level. Okay? And then once you have more cash flow, once your business starts growing, then the next third thing which you need to do is you need to invest in your money in a place where you get high returns. So it's called as high return investment. It's called as high return investment. See, it's easy to make money, but it's very difficult to keep the money. Likewise, it's not important how much money you make, it's more important how you can really multiply. When I really got to know about this wealth triangle, it was really connecting with me. I said I had no job is because I was telling I had no job because it's not my job problem, it's my skill problem. I said I had no income, it was not my income problem, it was my skill problem. I did not have enough skills, the right skills to really make money. Today, what should you be doing after your degree? You should not be thinking about doing a master degree or an online course or working somewhere. First thing, you need to acquire the right skill sets. And once you have the right skill sets, you can start trading your skills for money. In the next video, I'll exactly tell you how you can really trade your skills for money. And if this video has been any help for you, please give me a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Okay? And moreover, if you want to get started immediately, and learn all the high income skills so that you don't have to waste your time, so that you don't have to really get confused. I have decided to give you a free training. Yes, you have an amazing free training. Just click the link and make sure that you attend the training and get to know what are the highest income skills that you can learn, which are in high demand in 21st century. And don't really waste your time because it's completely free. Just click the link and get started with your free training. Anyways, you're not going to really lose anything because I'm not going to charge you anything. And if you want to learn something, and I promise you, your life will completely change. And finally, if you like this video, make sure that you give a thumbs up and go to the comment section and just tell me what is that you really learned, and I would personally like to get in touch with you. See you all in the next video, guys.